Today we're taking the dinghy to one of the Gulf Island's hidden gems, Saturnina Island, a small protected island just off the east coast of Gabriola Island in British Columbia. Although it looks like a quiet, untouched island today, Saturnina has a fascinating history. It is one of the flat-top islands and was named after the Spanish naval vessel Saturnina, commanded by José María Narváez. In the spring of 1791, the Saturnina, traveling alongside the San Carlos, departed Nootka Sound to explore the waterways northeast of the Strait of Fuca. The expedition helped chart the body of water we now know as the Strait of Georgia, forever changing our understanding of the Pacific Northwest coast. Saturnina Island is also an inspiring conservation success story. In 2022, the Wilson 5 Foundation, established by Lululemon founder Chip Wilson and his family, donated $4 million to the BC Parks Foundation to help purchase and permanently protect Saturnina Island, along with West Balinas Island and a 265-acre waterfront property on Lasqueti Island. These remarkable islands protect fragile coastal Douglas-fir ecosystems, old-growth forests, rare native plants, and important wildlife habitat. Thanks to this extraordinary gift, these landscapes will remain protected for future generations of boaters, hikers, paddlers, and nature lovers.